How to find GEICO payment methods and plans. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. In the GEICO's article, as you can see, there is an online access to pay, and you can simply update your auto pay options, and also Apple users can let Siri do the work for you. And to do that, you need to log into GEICO mobile app. And there are other ways to pay, which is traditional way, mail, and phone. So in the phone, if you click on the phone icon, you'll find your phone numbers. You can type in there, and by mail, mailing address differs based on the subject of your mailing, and in some cases based on your state. Select your category, and after you do that, you will be able to pay via mail. And this is how to find GEICO payment methods and plans. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.